2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
They're going to succeed. They know they're going to succeed. Every single time they're ahead, they're doing work. They're getting it done, they're getting it out. Listen, for myself, Coach DJ, you guys stay good work. It's been an honor. It's been a pleasure to work with you guys. So thank you. You guys get out of here. You guys go back to your respective homes, your states, your countries. Listen, do me a favor. Wherever you go, represent hard. Represent hard. Bring that same exact swagger you brought today. Don't go back to your hometown, your country, and your nation for the people that are looking at you and be low. And not have energy. They don't have that swagger. Bring it to them because you know what, when it happens, it's contagious. You catch on, and you catch on, it's like a virus. It's like a virus. Everyone put their hands together like this. So rub it together. Hear that sound? That sound's gonna make it hot. That sound's gonna make it hot. And after about 30 seconds, you're gonna feel your hands. You're like, man, my hands are hot. That's how it's done. 2 claps.